mas ano.
Next to phone. Wala na.
Inaantok na si Imogen.
Imogen!
Oh wow, you should. So you're not going to be cranky tomorrow morning. Yes, you will be like cranky, like.
Hoy, 8 o'clock na. Punta ka na doon.